But you know, just some morning fun. That's all that is. You really have to keep your momentum if you want to swing. Oh, there goes the GoPro. Swing back around. So, as you guys just saw, I had my fun. But now I suppose we should take some pictures because it is such a nice spot up here. It's not even funny, and I parked literally perfect between my donuts and stuff. Dude, everything looks perfect right now. Besides like this huge chunk of snow that I don't like, but we have to kind of keep there. We have to kind of keep that there for like the experience of the photos. Alright, whatever. The snow's not melting now that I got so much caked up on there. I love my rear diffuser. Literally my favorite part about my car. Like, I don't think you could give me something that I'm gonna like more on my car. The rear end of my car is just crazy. I love it. It's just perfect back here. The front's a little lackluster, but yeah, like I mean, sleepy eyes kinda, they're like a 50-50 on me. But man, my tails and my rear diffuser, perfect combination. I just want to show you guys how much snow truly gets caked up when doing stuff in the snow. Like, look at this. Oh my god. You could literally build like a whole snowman out of that. Like up here too, the front wheel. Yeah, that's like so much snow. There's a lot. Yeah, so that's been it for today. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe. And if you want to see me do more stupid stuff with this car, just let me know, because I'm willing to do it.